Hi everyone, in this video we're going to show you how to add a contact us form or even a contact us page on your Strikingly website. It's really easy to do. This platform is super easy and that's why we do these videos, because it is a platform that we find it's a no-brainer in terms of how it functions and how easy it is to create your website and to maintain your website. So if you go into your control panel, you can either add your contact us page, contact us section to, let's say, your home page. If you wanted to do that, you would just go into the home page section, click your back to design, and then it's going to give you the option to add a new section. On this template, we have a contact us page already set up. But if we wanted to just add, let's say, a form on your home page, for example, you can click something where you can list all your social media platforms, or you could do a contact us form. If you have a physical location, this will allow you to show your map. You could also do custom forms, or you could do sign up forms. So you can click any one of them. Easy to customize. So all you do is select it, and then you'll just be given prompts to customize it. Let's say we went ahead and click this one. It's going to show up in a section on the website on your home page. So if you scroll down, you're going to see that came up on your home page, and this will allow people to enter their name, email, and send you a message and submit, and it would just go to whatever email address that you signed up with for your Strikingly account. This template that we're using also has a contact us page or section similar to what we just uploaded here. So it has a map, and it would allow you to enter your address at the location of your business, and you would save that, and then so customers can see where they can come in and either enjoy your services or products, and they can also fill out their information and submit. So again, this platform makes it really easy for you to do whatever you want for your website, for the DIY users or website builders. No coding required, and the good thing about Strikingly is that you could try it for free with no credit card. So that's it, guys, and I'll see you on the next video.